That hike was just zigzags uphill the whole way. But to get here and see an almost new, clean, beautiful shelter and flat campsites and a privy, and they said there's water close by, I could not be happier. Guess we're alone here. Thank you. Oh my God, and look. I mean, she spelled it wrong. There's no H, but Natalie from the 305, Miami. This is Natalie with no H from the 561. What? Yeah, I needed to hear that. Thank you. The spring is that way. Good. Good water source here. Uh-oh. First time I've seen this on the mountain. Alright, well, we're definitely filtering. Thought it was a good water source. Some days, you're just not going to be able to stay at the smell of yourself anymore. So you're going to do some laundry even though it's only a small water source. And that's what we are in the middle of doing laundry. And there's a lot of noises around, so we are on alert even though we're doing laundry. But yes, it's nice to have clean clothes. I couldn't stand it anymore. Oh my God, my socks. Ooh, girl, boy, bye. I just wanted a memory of what this feels like, how free this feels. Washing my locks and nothing else for the first time in the rocks of Mother Nature, the water filtering straight through to me, now through. I am becoming nature. How free this is. I just want to remember how free I feel. Beautiful. I think I'm witnessing butterflies mating. I'm gonna move. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave them alone. They're mating. There was another serendipity here in 2023. Definitely wasn't me, but serendip A T I should put on top. I don't have a marker though.
Soy sauce. No, I'm looking for it. In the packaging, the ground. Try not to spill as much as you guys spill.
And there you have it. If you are willing to take a thorn or two, you too can have fresh berries for breakfast. There's more, but we don't want no more cuts. You gotta work for these berries. Like some of these bushes are just babies on there. Just babies. Let them grow, let them grow. But they are delicious, I will say. We're gonna get some more. Gonna take these back to wash them off. Hansel and Gretel was not dumb. They was hungry. I would have fell for that shit so easy out here in these woods. If I saw, just like these berries I just went and picked, if I saw a goddamn trail of sweets and treats, I'd be all over that shit right now. Like a kid in a candy store. Mm-hmm. Hansel and Gretel, I feel you. These are definitely blackberries and they're so good. Powdered peanut butter and blackberry. We about to put it on here. Yep. It don't matter how much I eat out here, I still be hungry. I had breakfast, I had lunch, I had snacks. I'm making dinner now. I'm still eating snacks. And I'm still hungry. There ain't nothing stopping it. What do I need to get? Tell me, y'all, what do I need to eat to not be this goddamn hungry all the time? Please help. Smashed up crackers? No problem. I have a great idea. Tuna and cheese cracker tortilla taco thingy. It's about to be so good. Come on, gotta make it all fit. I have a whole new respect for everybody at Taco Bell and Chipotle that rolls them overstuffed burritos I be asking for, because it is not easy. Oh my God. Oh yeah, that's a hit. I would make that at home. I'm so grateful I'm out here sometimes, because I would have never thought to put these things together. I'm making that again at home. I would make this for my daughter. And don't knock it before you try it. Lovely. And we're off. Thank you for a wonderful stay.